Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. The Jamaica Football Federation, JFF, is to receive over $70 million from World Football's governing body FIFA as it continues to grapple with the financial impact of COVID-19. FIFA's release of operational funds for 2019 and 2020, a share of $150 million is a first step of a relief plan to help its member associations negate the economic impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. The JFF president, Michael Ricketts, says he expects to receive more information on how the funds should be spent in the coming days.
These are funds that are due to us. So FIFA has just expedited the process of ensuring that this part of our forward program has been made available to us. I am sure there are some conditions, but certainly I go through the document that was sent to us, and then I'll certainly have more clarity.
Meanwhile, JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint says he is hoping for more of this type of assistance from FIFA in the future.
I want to use the opportunity to say to FIFA, this is the sort of support that we ask from our governing body, and it will help with the development and to ease some of the burden that we are presently having. But it was money that was earmarked to be spent. It was money that was, as I said, we are entitled to, and we have now an opportunity to receive it before the time, that is after the July window, and so we will ensure that we spend it in the right and proper way so that we can provide the report that is required, because they will now audit that money. It's not a money that you can go about spending in the way that you want it to spend.
Now, each of FIFA's 211 member associations will receive the money in the coming days, as well as entitlements for 2019 and 2020. The coronavirus outbreak has brought soccer to a standstill, and the clubs have struggled to cope with the loss of revenue. FIFA said it would immediately release a second installment of operational costs for 2020, originally due in July, and which, under normal circumstances, member associations would have only received in full upon satisfying specific criteria. Last year, Wint says the JFF only received $250,000.